Hi, my name Viani. If you're new in my YouTube is about lifestyle and my life living with my mental health, my insomnia, and my endometriosis. But today I will talking about my endometriosis. Is endometriosis is if you have symptom in your belly is if you make a period menstruation and you got pain, you got scam, you got something terrible, and you cannot do anything, uh, in your school, and you cannot doing anything in mostly in your activity because you have pain in your belly. So my diagnosis in my endometriosis started about when I was in my school. I just not concerned about that because that time I just feeling very sickness just only 1 or 2 days, and after that I can do many thing and many activity in my days when I was young. So after my divorce, I got alone and no husband, and I was feeling something is weird because my symptom no stop before married, after married, and after by divorce. I got these symptoms again after my divorce, 5 years after my divorce. So I'm going to the hospital because something is not usually in my period. I got menstruation 2 times in 1 month, and then when I have a partner, I got my period that is now usually like ordinary people, woman again. And after that, after I'm going to hospital almost every month, and after my stressing in 1 year, finally I'm going to the genetic doctor, and the doctor had many experience about endometriosis, and then that's what I found. I have endometriosis because many doctors say before that doctor they say I don't have anything wrong in my belly. They check in my USG, etc. And they say it's just normally it's not nothing wrong with you. And after I'm going to specialist gene option, and that's time I got the answer is my sickness is endometriosis. After I'm meeting with specialist option, and I got news, I have scars in my belly, in the mattresses, and I have to do something about correct. And tomorrow after the day I'm meeting with the doctor, finally I got correct, and I'm going back home 1 day after my correct because I'm so feel weakness after my correct. So after that, I'm going to the hospital again after my surgery because my endometriosis not stop bleeding after my corrects, and then doctors give me a pill for birth control, and still using until now. If you asking me how affect this endometriosis to my life, is of course I'm so stressing. Aga, of course, aga, ako talking with my psychology doctor, and of course impact to my mental illness, because I'm so stressed. I mean, I cannot have a partner anymore or husband anymore because something happened in my endometriosis. It's mean it's a terrible one. So today I got had a symptom again because my period is almost 2 weeks now. I mean, this time is about 12 days, my period. And then today I'm going to the doctor again, and my doctor give me a pill. I hope that make me stop for my endometriosis, because my say actually it's not bleeding like so much bleeding. It's just I guess just like chocolate, little chocolate. And after 7 days, chocolate. And then after 7 days, I got just like a little red, 40 days. And right now, I'm eating birth control, and my doctors give me medicine again. I mean, pill again. Is I hope it is gonna good. I mean, stop the chocolate, because it's really make me feel no uncomfortable, and I have stress. Of course, some stress. Because I'm still young in my mind, because I'm just 46 years old. So, if you have a friend, a family, or someone you know about having a symptom like me, because I know easy in the world is about 10% people, and everywhere, Europe and UK have a same experience. I think you must find find information about that, and the first one after you find is something wrong with your body, you should going to the doctor. And of course you should searching many experience in many platform, and including YouTube, just like my experience I'm share right now. I hope this story make up many people, many women understanding about what it endometriosis, and how much impact in our life, and our stress, our mental illness, and always sad, something like that. And I hope you have, I mean, information about mental illness, comparing with endometriosis, but in my case, in my video YouTube, many I'm comparing with struggle sleep, because of course I have many trouble, because I have a struggle with insomnia comparing my mental illness, and I have struggle insomnia comparing with my endometriosis story, of course comparing to with my mental illness. So I hope you enjoy my video, guys, and see you in next video.